Yeah, started.
Hello everyone, my name is Kirandeep Kaur, MIT ID MIT201477. Today we are going to demonstrate our assignment 2 of MN692. Our group is group 1. And next slide is the introduction. That is introduction of our assignment. A cloud forensics is based on the network forensics process, and the gathering of evidence is being performed through cloud forensics. The investigation to find out the details of the crime are performed, and the various challenges are forced to implement cloud forensics. Implementation of a forensics tools are provided. And the next slide. That is a significance of a digital forensics in cloud and challenges of a cloud forensics. There are centralized data that have all data in the cloud computing, and they are sent for assisting the forensics readiness. And challenges of a cloud forensics include the court liabilities and services, and their interruption will happen. The router and load balancer will get issue in assessing them. And the next slide should be the issues and the challenges. The main two issues are the assessing of physical devices on the cloud is facing a huge issue, and the integrity as well as maintenance is one of the issue. And the challenges is preventing the gathered information in the main challenge. And that is a slide of our implementation, that we are implementing a 3 forensics tool. And the next slide will be proceed by Rupinder.
Hi there, my name is Rupinder. So basically, I'm going to talk about one of the tool. So I'm going to talk about Wireshark. So Wireshark is a software to analyze a packet sent through the network, and it allow to capture the data and browse the traffic running in the system. Next slide, please. So I'm gonna talk about the strength and weaknesses of Wireshark. So it's a free open source that can be a strength that anybody can be use it in the Windows and Unix, and it can see the information details of the packet that are going through the network. It's a great tool to troubleshoot all kind of problems and bugs. Weaknesses can be it can only collect information from the network but cannot send the information. It is unable to change the payloads. Next slide, please. So there are like the implementation and the screenshot of some from the some data we gathered. So this tool is made to run and details of the network are obtained. And here the UDP is searched. The list of UDP packet is listed. The details of an individual packet can be viewed by selecting a packet. Next, please. Here in this slide, it's a detail of Ethernet and the Internet Protocol version are being viewed, and the source port as well as the destination port details. The details of the user datagram and the data is being viewed. Thank you. So next part will be explained by my friend. Unmute yourself, Ishwar.
My name is Ishwar Sai Krishna, and my MIT ID is 201868. I am going to explain the Autopsy tool. Autopsy has an extendable reporting infrastructure that allows additional types of reports of the investigation to be created. And the next slide shows the strengths and weakness of the Autopsy. The main strengths are Autopsy is quick and efficient, and it is easier to use and extensible. And the main weaknesses are it doesn't handle the large image files, and it is limited to fixed functions, and it is not good for packet viewing. And this is the actual use case of the tool. Autopsy is used for investigation, and the initial page is being displayed here, and the creation of the new cases is being performed, and the name of the case is provided. The new host is added by providing the details of the host. And here are the images, like we are loading the images into the Autopsy file, and the next tool will be explained by my friend Ramesh.
Hi everyone. I'm explaining shortly about the network miner that we use for our assignment for digital forensic. It's a forensic tool that was established in 2007, and of course it's an open source tool. The difference between the Wireshark and network miner is that we can focus on a particular data packets. So like so in this way it simplifies the network analysis operations. Next slide, please. Yeah, and talking about the advantages and the disadvantages of this forensic software is that it can perform the advanced control traffic analyzer, like it make it easy and comfortable to use. And another strength is can be sorry, another strength can be it is useful for any individual without any comprehensive knowledge of your program. And coming to the weakness is like it's open to anyone can use it and anyone can yeah. And sometimes it's review your policy before processing. Yeah, so we have to review the policy as well. That's the weakness. Next slide, please. And this is the practical scenario when we use network miner to capture the data. Yeah, and conclusion part will be described by my friend Mirza. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mirza. I would like to explain the conclusion part. The crime phase in the cloud is overcome through the cloud forensic. The investigation on crime is performed and the details are gathered. Several tools and techniques are used in the cloud forensic. Effective solutions are obtained by use of cloud forensic. Next slide, please. These are the references. Thank you for joining us.